Now we are going to study like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions having same denominator are known as like fractions. Example, 1 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7, like that way. Next example, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and so on. Look at here. Here the denominators are same. That is 7 is the denominator for all fractions. Here 10 is the denominator for all fractions. So these type of fractions are known as like fractions. Fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Example, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 8, 9 and so on. Next set, we can say 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 7 upon 8 and so on. That is, you look at here. Here the denominators are 8, 7, 5 and 9. Here it is 3, 5, 8. So different denominators are here. So we can say these are unlike fractions. We can convert unlike fractions into like fractions. How can we convert? One upon 8, 3 upon 12 and 5 upon 6 are unlike fractions. How can we convert this into like fractions? We have studied equivalent fractions. Now we are going to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. For doing this, first we have to find the LCM of the given denominators. Here the denominators are 8, 12 and 6. Take the LCM of denominators. This will be the first step. Here the denominators are 8, 12 and 6. So LCM of 8, 12, 6. We can find 8, 12 and 6. Here 2 is the common factor of 8, 12 and 6. So we can divide these numbers by 2. Smallest prime number. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Again, the common factor is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. There is no 3 in 2's table, so write down this 3 itself. Next, the common factor is 3 because you can see 2 3's here. There is no 2 in 3's table, so write down 2 itself. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Next, we can divide 2, 1 and 1. So 2 will be there. So 1, 2 is 2. Next, write down 1. So LCM of 8, 12, 6 is equal to, we have to multiply these numbers. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. So which is equal to 2 2's are 4. 4 3's are 12. 12 2's are 24. So the LCM of 8, 12 and 6 is 24. We have to make the equivalent fractions having denominator as the LCM. Here the LCM is 24. So we have to make 1 upon 8 is equal to 24 as the denominator. Which is the denominator? We have to make all the fractions into that LCM. Now the LCM is 24. So 1 upon 8 is equal to 24 is the denominator. So 8 3s are 24. We have to multiply with 3 numerator. So 1 3 is 3. So 1 upon 8 we may change it into 3 upon 24. How we are doing as the equivalent fraction, same like that way. But LCM will be the denominator. Here 3 upon 12, which is equal to LCM will be, denominator will be 24. So 12 2s are 24. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 upon 24. Next our fraction is 5 upon 6. This also out of 24 we have to make 6 4s are 24. So 5 4s are 20. So we can say 1 upon 8 we change it into 3 upon 24, 3 upon 12, 6 upon 24 and 5 upon 6, 20 upon 24. Now we can say 3 upon 24, 6 upon 24 and 20 upon 24 are the like fractions of 1 upon 8, 3 upon 12 and 5 upon 6 respectively. Okay children, thank you.